Are you ready to unlock a world of vibrant health and mouth-watering flavor? Then keep your eyes glued to this screen, because today, we're unraveling the incredible story of sweet potato health benefits. Hi everyone, welcome to our official channel Healthric. Please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon, so you never miss any update from us. When it comes to versatility, there's a lot going in favor of the humble sweet potato. It's delicious, without doubt, nutritious, and oh so easily available. You can have it steamed, grilled, mashed, fried, and even pureed. It's loaded to the brim with fiber, vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and antioxidants. There's more. It has a very low glycemic index, meaning it doesn't spike your blood sugar levels like regular potatoes. And the best part? You can have it as a side dish, main course, or even as a dessert. Okay, now let's know sweet potato health benefits. Heartfelt health, sweet potatoes for cardiovascular wellness. Sweet potatoes, rich in potassium, aid in blood pressure regulation and heart support. The American Heart Association recommends their inclusion for a healthy cardiovascular system. More potassium means less sodium retention, lowering blood pressure and reducing heart risks. Also, their fiber content contributes to lowered cholesterol. Gut-friendly goodness, sweet potatoes and digestive wellness. Sweet potatoes fiber fosters digestion and gut health. Emerging research highlights their fiber-rich benefits. A fiber-packed diet associates with lower risks of diabetes, heart disease, and more. Studies hint at mood and memory enhancements through ample fiber intake. Smart weight support, sweet potatoes and balanced eating. With their fiber, nutrients, and low calories, sweet potatoes aid weight management. Fiber induces fullness, curbing overeating, while nutrients offer vital energy. Ideal for weight control and overall health-focused diets. Radiant skin glow, sweet potatoes beauty secret. Abundant in beta-carotene, sweet potatoes fuel skin health. Converted to vitamin A, it rejuvenates sun-damaged skin and boosts collagen. Vitamin C and copper aid collagen production, ensuring supple, youthful skin. Sweet potatoes unlock your skin's natural radiance. Cancer shield, sweet potatoes and their protective role. In the realm of cancer prevention, sweet potatoes shine as formidable allies. Packed with potent antioxidants and vital phytochemicals, they actively reduce the risk of specific cancer types. Diabetes support, sweet potatoes and balanced glycemic control. Sweet potatoes, a diabetes-friendly choice, owe their benefits to their fiber content. Studies highlight reduced type 2 diabetes risks with higher fiber intake. Although sweet potatoes have natural sugars and starch, their low glycemic index sets them apart, preventing rapid sugar spikes in the bloodstream. This steady release makes them a smart option for managing blood sugar levels, promoting better diabetes control. And that's a wrap on our journey through sweet potato health benefits. From enhancing digestion and blood sugar regulation to being a warrior against cancer, sweet potatoes are the ultimate addition to your health arsenal. Feeling inspired? Why not kickstart your sweet potato journey today by trying out a new recipe? Smash that like button if you're as smitten by sweet potatoes as I am, and remember to hit subscribe for more wellness wisdom. Until next time, keep savoring the sweetness of life.